Valerie, turn around and say hi to your Uncle Chris. What do you want to say? Say hi to everybody. Say hi, Uncle Chris. Good job, Val. Turn around. Turn around. We don't want her near us. Good job. Super proud of you, Val. What a beautiful evening in Kyle, Texas.
Can I play teeter?